So guys, what is lead generation? So in very simple terms, lead generation is the process of identifying, collecting information about potential customers. Potential customers in this case are the leads, people who may be interested in a particular product or service. So where does a VA, or what does this mean to a VA? You are going to find information about decision makers. You are going to find information about CEOs, marketing managers, and so on. And what are you going to collect? You're going to collect their name, the name of company, their email, job titles, and maybe their LinkedIn profiles. Then you're also going to organize the data into a well-formatted spreadsheet. So we have something called a funnel in the world of marketing. So where does lead generation happen when it comes to the marketing funnel? So let us see. The marketing funnel looks like this. I want to illustrate uh, so that you can have a look at what we mean by a funnel. So in the marketing in marketing we have a funnel. It looks like this, just like that funnel of pouring liquids. So on top of this funnel we have this area. This is the area where people are getting attracted. This is the area of attraction. Let me use a different color. It's not visible. Hey, that's a good color. Now this is where the VAs work or focus. You are going to attract people who are interested in a particular product or service. Then these people will move down. Some of them will move down and take some action where their email will be captured or they will buy something. Then we have those who will end up eventually at the bottom of the funnel. So in short, what we are doing as virtual assistants is to work here, attract emails, find emails of customers, record them, and prepare them on a spreadsheet. And this information can be used by the company or organization to do their marketing of products and services. So I hope that is understood.